What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Clayton here with DIY Clay 525. Today we're doing kind of a fun one. It's the first outing of the year. We're taking the DA Integra to its first official car meet. Maybe do some cruising, some pulls. Maybe we'll get some sweet, juicy B-roll action. So you're going to want to stay tuned for this one. We were able to tell that I had ran them. So I'm going to kind of show you guys. Bad girl warm up. I just want to kind of explain what's going on tonight. There's a car meet in the Dells at one of our spots that we normally meet up at. So we're gonna meet up with some friends. Olivia, I think, is gonna come with us too. Yeah, it should be a pretty good time. Got a few hours to kill yet, so I'm just getting the car all ready. Just getting her warmed up. Gonna check the oil, coolant. Get her wiped down. Hadn't really done any of that stuff yet since last fall when I put it away. So yeah, we'll just get her ready, and I'll probably see you guys in a few hours when we hit the streets.
Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could have chosen anyone, but I choose you.
Alrighty guys, we're on our way to the meet. We got Olivia with us. We got we got Luke and his brother behind us in the red Civic. We're going to meet everybody at O'Reilly's. Meet up, hopefully do some cruising. Hell yeah. Woo!
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh,
looks like Luke's on the car.
Were we made to fall? No, I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn off,
So we're at the meet, guys. Quite a few people actually. There's probably 20-ish cars, something like that, and trucks. Pretty cool. So yeah, we're just kind of hanging out, checking things out here, and watched somebody get pulled over by the cops pulling out too fast. But yeah, hopefully we might do some cruising. So a few of us are gonna go out. We're gonna do some cruising, and hopefully not end up in jail, right?
Shooting at the that they almost can. And them drugs come in handy. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive them. You can do it too.
We got some bad news here. Cindy's clutch in her car basically went out. So Luke's gonna try and drive it and limp it back to my house, but we're gonna end up having to pull the transmission and put a new clutch in basically. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Shitty. We only got a couple weeks till the first race, so yeah. Just got some snacks and some petrol. Olivia's devastated they didn't have her brownies that she normally gets, but it is what it is. So we're gonna head back and pick up Cindy's car, and I'm assuming Cindy's probably gonna drive the Civic, and you're gonna drive the Integra back to the house. So we only got like 2 weeks before the first race, so we're gonna have to pull the trans, throw a clutch in her car.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video of DIY clay. We are trying to get Cindy's Honda home. Luke's up there driving it, limping it home.
She's smoking pretty bad.
It stinks. Wish us luck.
We just got back to the garage. Luke and his brother are taking Cindy home. We got her car here. Cindy drove the Civic back to the house. So yeah, we got some work ahead of us. Got to have Cindy order a clutch, and we'll get her swapped out. No big deal. All right, so we got back from the meet last night. Made it back with Cindy's car. Tonight we are going to the Temple of Speed. This place, we went one time last year. It was killer. Awesome car meetup at a church. That's why they call it the Temple of Speed. And yeah, things get a little wild normally. There's some pretty crazy roads, twisty, turny up through the hills that surround this temple. So we'll see you guys a little later when we get there.
Make sure we still have some air to pour one in.
Literally a Toyota RAV4 there. There was quite a few cars. It was actually really, really fun cruising with everybody here. was a fun night. We could all went to jail. We weren't doing any speeding or nothing, you know what I mean? If you guys could, please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Make sure you check out our awesome sponsors. And catch you on the next one. Woo!